Hello friends, I am Saurabh. In this video, I am going to show how to configure SSH server to log in with key pair authentication, or how to configure SSH passwordless key pair authentication. When we create SSH key, then we get two keys. Number one, private key, that is for client, and number two, public key, that is for server authentication key, right? So let's start. So you can see that is my CentOS server. So first of all, I check the server version. So server version, you can see over there, server version is CentOS 7 right now. Okay. So now I check the server IP. Yes, you can see here that my server IP is local IP 192.168.43.217, right? So now I am logging putty. Okay. So IP 192.168.43.217. SSH port is by default. So now I have to log in as normal way. So username root. So right, and password. Yes, login successfully. So it is normal way. So but in this video, and so how to log in, how to configure SSH with and login without passwordless. Okay. So then you can see that is my Excel sheet for that your help. So now I am just first step. So just for one step, just create SSH key. So in the third part, yes, password no, I'm just no password in my SSH key. I'm empty password because when after login with SSH key, so no password. So it's created. So right, so it's created for this directory. So right, that name is that. You can see here one, that is my public, this is my private key, right, and id underscore rsa is my public key, right. So I'm just go to here. So yes, you can see that there is two key, right. One is id underscore rsa, that is private key, and second is id underscore rsa dot pub, that is public key, right. So second step is that second step only for just authorize the public key and just move my public key to authorized key. So it's done. Now you can see that authorized key is created. So you can also see the authorized key. That is my authorized key, right? So now I'm just copy my private key. So over there I am just copy my actually, so my mouse is too slow. Yes, copy that notepad. That is my private key, right. So now I am just save it, send press, 7, save as notepad, download location down. Okay, so save it. Now it's close it. Right now I'm just go to. So now I'm just convert my key APK. So now here open the footage in, and now I open the send to 7 key. Yes, save as private key. Okay, send to as 7 login key. Save. Okay, save it. So now I'm just do one thing. Second is that is just change some configuration with SSH file. So yes, you just change password authentication. You just change password authentication. No. Okay. Yes. And yes, the change is no. Now save double four save key for exit. Yes, save it. Now restart. Restart SSHD, that is SSHD demo. Ready to restart, and now check it. The SSH service. So yes, my SSH service active now. So now I try to log in. Now I'm closing. Okay. So now I'm trying to log in with password. So 192.168.43.217. See that no supported authentication method available on this server. You need to public, right? Because I have already created and already configured public key. So now I'm put the public key, and so now here enter, again I'm enter 192.168.43.217, and here authorized key I'm just click here and just click. Now I open that. Now open. I'm just, you can see here it's very important. You can see I'm just type that username. No need any password. I'm just type only for username. Root. Next, you can see, so no need any password right now. I hope it's login. So yes, login. You can see no need any password. So login with SSH key. Now you can see version, same version and same server. Even you can see that my server IP. You can see that is 192.168.43.217 and same. So in this process, you can see configure your SSH passwordless key pair authentication. If my video is any helpful to you, then please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.